Hi everybody, it's Holly here from Hollkward Beauty on Instagram. If you haven't checked me out over there, make sure to check me out. I post every single day about makeup, beauty, and style. And make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube. I post every week with brand new videos for you guys, and I don't want you guys to miss any because there's some good ones coming up as always. So today's video is a double video in one, a whole bunch of content kind of in one. We're going with that. I am sharing a review on a bunch of the new bareMinerals holiday gift sets. Perfect getting this video out in time for Black Friday shopping, Christmas shopping, so you guys can kind of have an idea if you're thinking about buying some of these for yourself or for gifts. And I'm also sharing a tutorial on this eye makeup look, which Hailey Bieber wore recently. Mary Phillips was the makeup artist. She created it. So I recreated it for you guys using some of the holiday products from bareMinerals to give you some inspiration for some makeup looks and to kind of review these products. So I'm going to do a review first, and then I'm going to do a tutorial. I'll leave you guys with the tutorial at the end. So I got 4 of these sets. So the first one is the original Mineral Veil Loose and Pressed Powder Duo. So inside, it's in this really cute bright green packaging. So bareMinerals, I feel like in my mind, I know bareMinerals to be a powder brand. That's kind of what they started off with. So I love that they're kind of staying true to what they're known for. So the original Mineral Veil, what shade is this in? I guess it's just one shade. I guess that's the idea, just a loose powder. So love that for I love using loose powder on the face, just lightly setting areas that get a little bit too glowy or just setting makeup, under eye makeup. But I really love this original Mineral Veil press setting powder. I tried this already. This is in the translucent shade, the clear powder shade. So I carry this around with me kind of everywhere. It's just this. It's white, but it's actually clear on your skin, all skin colors. And it comes with a little poof with it, which I love on the go. And this is like an awesome setting powder. Honestly, it looks so good on this. Like, you can't even see it on the skin. I guess that's why it's good. So I highly recommend that. This is awesome. You can give both to someone, keep one for yourself, give one away. But bareMinerals powders, you can never go wrong with. They're amazing. I used this set on myself today, the Full Size Essentials Trio Mascara, eyeliner, and brow gel. So this is a cute little pack for people who wear just kind of the basics of eye makeup, which is really amazing. The Strength and Length brow gel I used on my brows today. I use a brow gel every single day of some form to have my brows kind of go up and have that really kind of gorgeous brushed full look. And then I also went in with their black eyeliner in Onyx, and I just applied this to my tight line. You guys will see in the tutorial, and it's a really, really nice gentle liner. I actually really, really love this, and very dark. When you see it, it makes your lashes look super full. And actually what I was most surprised about was this mascara. So I tried it for the first time today, the Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara. It is really good. Sometimes when I try mascaras from like more natural brands, I'm like, it's good, but it's like not quite as good as the non-natural ones. But I tried this and I'm like, I prefer this over a lot of other mascaras. So it's actually an amazing mascara. It's got a really cool wand to it as well. Got a little wave to it. So you can use it in lots of different ways to kind of get at the lashes, but you'll see that in my tutorial. This is an amazing little pack. And then the next one is the eyeshadow palette. I used this today for my eye look. Really, really stunning. I really enjoyed the quality of these eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I love that it's natural and non-irritating, but the quality is there. So this is called the Treasured palette, and it's in a cute little holiday look, and it's got 12 shades, rich jewel tones. So look how stunning these shades are. Beautiful. So I went in and used this eyeshadow palette for my eye look, so I will show you guys that step by step. But overall, this is a mix of matte and shimmers. The quality is there, the color payoff is there. Really, I was really impressed with this actually, because again, sometimes natural brands, the like pigmentation and stuff like that isn't quite as good, but this is 100% on point. So huge fan of this. Would be amazing for yourself or loved ones. And they it slides out. Isn't that interesting? Learned that today. They have another little pack of lipstick, super cute. Gift idea, full-size Mineralist Hydra-Smoothing lipstick trio. It's got 3 lipsticks in it, and I'll show you guys the shades. So I was trying to match the lip from the Hailey Bieber look. So I applied a couple of these and then put a gloss on top. So I applied Presents, but not like a Christmas present, like a presents, like my presents will be there, or I would like to see your presents. I'm not saying that right. Okay, this is Presents, like being somewhere. This is a beautiful shade, honestly, and these lipsticks are super smooth on the skin. Really, really gorgeous, kind of mauvey, but it's looking a little warmer on my skin, but I put fake tanner on, so that's probably why. And they feel really smooth on the lip. They smell kind of like candy. They have like a nice smell to them. So I applied this kind of the outer corners of my lips to get that look. And then I used Honesty, which is a little bit lighter, kind of a really nice pinky color. And I applied Honesty, yeah, just a really nice pink color, basically. Stunning. And then I applied this to the kind of middle of my lip because she had some pink kind of shining through on the lip. So beautiful color there. And then Inspiration is the last shade, which is a red, a beautiful holiday red. Look at that color. I definitely have to bust this out for some holiday looks. Perfect for holidays, and I feel like would look good on a lot of skin tones. Okay, and so that is the lip set. We are loving that. And I have one more set to show you, and then we'll hop right into that tutorial. Skincare set. So if you have a skincare lover in your family, friend group, amazing. So this is a trio, Aegis Phyto Retinol Trio. So I think what this is there's like natural versions of retinol, which retinol is really amazing for anti-aging and kind of keeping your skin clear. Of course, bareMinerals would come out with something natural, like a natural version of retinol. So they have an eye cream, face cream, and a night concentrate. It comes with these 3 products. The eye cream is just really tiny, so it's almost more of a sample size, I would say. I use an eye cream day and night, so I apply this on my skin. I've been using it just this past week, so it's been really nice and hydrating. I'm using this the past week, and then they have a retinol concentrate, which I applied first, and then the face cream. These are both big size products, and the packaging is very kind of high quality and heavy, especially the concentrate. So I apply this at nighttime to my skin at my kind of serum step. So after toner, before face cream, and then I follow it up with the face cream as my last step. And these products are super gentle and you can't go wrong. So this is a really good product basically for any skincare lover in your life or yourself, because it's natural, but it's also result driven, so you just can't go wrong. I love these bareMinerals gift sets. They're amazing gifts, and I love that I got to kind of try it on my face for the Hailey Bieber makeup look. She is a spokeswoman for bareMinerals, so I kind of thought it was the best combo video to make. I will jump right into my tutorial. You guys can follow along on how I achieved this eye makeup look. So I'm gonna go right into the eye makeup tutorial. Hailey Bieber wore recently, Mary Phillips did it, and I'm obsessed with the look. I think a lot of people are. It's just like a stunning natural glam eye look. So I'm gonna be using the new holiday bareMinerals Treasured eyeshadow. Also their full-size Eye Essentials trio for my eye look. So I've done the rest of my makeup, the face makeup, brows, and I'm gonna go right in on the eye. So the eye look, I'm gonna start it, it's kind of shimmery as a base. It's definitely more of a shimmery look. So the eye is kind of a shimmery nude kind of base. So I'm gonna go in with Moonstone, this gorgeous kind of light shimmery shade on the palette. I need to get a proper mirror for doing these tutorials. And just using a flat shader, I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe number 5 dual-ended eyeshadow brush, and just placing that color kind of all over the eye as a base with that light shimmer to it. She just kind of used like, I'm going to deepen the crease a little bit, and they were definitely more kind of cooler tones. I feel like these two right here, Hazy Rose and Antique Silver, those two are kind of the more colors they used. So I'm going to go in with Hazy Rose first, which is more, I think it's a matte shade, and just kind of start adding a little bit of crease color. Using that shade just to deepen the crease a little bit because it definitely had some depth to it. I'm gonna add a bit from the crease down on the lid because there definitely was some depth and color there as well. And I'm gonna take that color and extend it out a bit. I'm using the EV13 Sedona Lace blending brush. It's one of my favorite kind of blending brushes to add color in the crease. So I'm making kind of a fox eye shape. Because that is how the eye shape goes. I like to sometimes just add a little bit here to join those colors kind of up. That looks really, really nice. I'll do the same on the other eye. So the shadow is applied. It looks gorgeous so far. I'm gonna go in and just add a little more depth with a smaller brush using that same Hazy Rose color. I'm gonna use the Il Makiage 194 brush. I like to sometimes add this just to the outer corner, right in the crease, just to define the crease a little further with a concentrated brush. So that's pretty good. I'll do the other eye. Now, kind of some one of the fun parts, I guess. I'm gonna add some shimmer to the lid and upwards because that's definitely part of the look. So I'm gonna go in with that Antique Silver, this shade right here. See in the light, beautiful. It's got definitely some shimmer to it. I'm gonna use a flat shader from Il Makiage, the 188, just a flat brush. And I'm going to kind of pack it on the lid. This is a really great match for Hailey's look. I don't know what products she used. She hasn't listed them, but I know Hailey Bieber is a ambassador for bareMinerals, so there's a high likelihood that it's a product like this. So that looks absolutely stunning. I'm gonna soften the edges with a brush to kind of blend that in, but that looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go in with my favorite liner brush from Laura Mercier. It is the flat eyeliner brush. I'm gonna use this Cover Up FX Dewy Finish Setting Spray just because I'm gonna use powder for this look. So I'm gonna go back in that Antique Silver shade and use a wet brush with it. I'm gonna mix Smoke and that Antique Silver. This is the fun part. How cute is that? It's really quite easy. You just kind of do an inward little corner like that. It's really easy with shadow because you can always go back in and correct it. I love how that looks. And it's so easy. I did notice they came in, or she came in like this. And it just kind of went along the lash line a little bit. I'm softening those edges just a little bit to make sure the transition is really nice. I'm going to use this pencil brush. This is Sigma E30. And I'm just gonna soften the edge of that shadow to make sure that liner line is really soft on the eye, but sharp outside of the eye. Gorgeous. I love how that turned out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. So this is the finished shadow. I love how it turned out. Super fun and gorgeous and kind of a fun take on a soft glam. That kit the eyeliner and apply the black eyeliner to my tight line up here just to add a little bit of depth to the base of the lashes. It looks like to me they added that in the look, so my Shiseido eyelash curler, the bareMinerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Mascara, and I'll apply this to a couple coats to my upper lashes and then do the lowers as well. And it looks like for this look, they just went with her natural lashes. So I won't add any false lashes to this look. This mascara is actually super good. So this is the final eyeshadow eye look. Kind of recreating Hailey Bieber's eyeshadow look. I love how it turned out. I think it looks super close to Hailey's look. And I'm going to do my lip and finish up my look a little bit and show you guys the final look. This is the final look of my eyes, my lips, hair, everything that I did for this recreation of this Hailey Bieber eye makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this review and tutorial. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to me on YouTube. I post every week with brand new videos. And don't forget to check me out at hollkward Beauty on Instagram. I post every single day over there for you babes. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope you guys do some really good Black Friday shopping and holiday shopping in general and have fun. So as always, hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you babes next time.